Hello everyone, how you all have been? Today I have brought another recipe from my kitchen for you all. I'm gonna make onion fritters. This is a air fried recipe. You can make this recipe in oil, but this is for those who like to use less oil in their cooking and are health conscious. Peel 3 onions of medium size and chop them in normal sized slices. 3 onions are enough to serve for 2 people. You can add more or less according to your serving size. Now transfer the sliced onions in a bowl and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of besan into it. Now the dry masalas like turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt will go into it. The quantity of masalas depend on your taste. Now by adding a little amount of water, it will get a good mix so that all the masalas and besan will stick nicely with the onions. It's ready to be air fried. For air frying, I will put an air fryer safe sheet on the bottom of air fryer basket and will grease it with some oil. Now I am going to make the fritters on the sheet. I will put some distance among the fritters so that they can not be sticky to one another. I am gonna air frying these on 180 degree for 15 minutes. I will check them after 9 minutes of cooking and will flip them and grease them with oil and will put them again for 6 minutes. Same process will be applied for the next batch of fritters. Put them on sheet, air frying, greasing with oil in between and again air frying. Air frying can take a little longer time than deep frying method, but it's much better than consuming a lot of oil and compromising with health. See, the crispy fritters are ready and I'm gonna serve them with masala tea. Here is the rainy evening snack. Air fried onion fritters with masala tea is ready to eat. You can sprinkle some chaat masala on it, but I like it in this way, simple and satisfying. So that's all for today's recipe. If you like my recipe, so please do like, comment and share my video. See you all soon with a new one. Till then, take care. Bye.